How to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove Microsoft Edge from Windows. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So there are a few ways you can do this. First, let's just head over to installed apps. Go to your start search and search for installed apps and open installed apps up. After you open up your installed apps on your settings, you can simply search for Microsoft Edge. So go to the search bar here and search for Edge. And you might not find Edge here sometimes. So if you do see Microsoft Edge, you can simply uninstall it from here. Tap on the three dots and uninstall. Now, if the uninstall option is not available, you might have to, uh, you know, use the registry editor to change the settings in the uninstall option. Since Microsoft Edge is a default feature or a system for app, you cannot delete it from directly. So search for your registry editor. Search for registry editor in the search bar and open it up.